How to buy and sell Bitcoin on Bisq. So the first thing that you need to do is download Bisq from its official website right here, and then just run the setup. Once you've done that, you're gonna open up the application, and then you're gonna create your wallet. Now go to the wallet seed first, and you're gonna see a list of words here. This is the wallet seed. Make sure you take a picture of this or write them down physically on some sort of paper, because you will need them later. Now go to the wallet password, set your password. Now you need to add a payment method. You need to go to the national currency accounts and select the payment method from any one of these payment methods. So here I'm gonna choose international transfer with the Swift code and stuff like that. I need to enter my bank Swift code, bank name and the branch. Then once you've done that, you need to fund your Bisq wallet. You need to transfer a small amount of Bitcoin into your Bisq wallet before you can trade. This Bitcoin is needed for security deposits, trading fees, and network fees. New users typically need a small Bitcoin balance before they can trade. And then buy Bitcoin. Click Buy BTC, browse available offers, select the offer you like, and then click Take Order. So let's go to the market. Let's do with the Swift. Currently there are no offers available. Let's see if there's anyone selling over Strike, and there is. A lot of people using Zelle though. But once you see a sale that's also accepting of a payment method, you can then, when you set up the payment method, buy the Bitcoin. And wait for the seller to confirm. The Bitcoin will be released into your Bisq wallet. And then what we can do is sell Bitcoin. So let's go to sell instead of buy here. And you can just select offers matching my accounts. So let's do the Swift. No one's using Swift, of course. Let's say you're using Zelle. Here you can sell Bitcoin by accepting people's orders, or you can create an offer to sell Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.